Good morning ka-friendship! At today's video ay gagawa tayo ng potato salad with pineapple and carrots and apple. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Okay, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 2 patatas, 2 mansanas, 3 carrots. Gagamit tayo ng mayonnaise, pineapple chunks, white sugar, at saka pepper. Okay, so yung measurement ka friendship, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Okay, so let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do next ka friendship is iba-blanch natin yung ating carrots at saka yung ating potato. Meron na tayo ditong pinakuluan na tubig na may asin. So, ayan. Ilalagay natin yung ating carrots at saka potatoes. Ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin sila dyan ka-friendship hanggang maging half cook. Okay, so let's go back later. Okay ka-friendship, tingnan natin kung okay na yung ating carrots at saka patatas. So ayan, half cook na siya, medyo malambot na ng kaunti. What we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa pot and then ita-transfer natin sa bowl na may tubig at saka may ice. Ganyan ang pag-blanch ka-friendship. So, ayan. By the way ka-friendship, bago ko siya inilagay sa mainit na tubig, binalatan ko muna yung carrots at saka yung patatas. Ayan. Ayaw matanggal. Sandal. Ayan. So, what we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is hihiwain natin yung ating patatas at saka yung ating carrots. Ka-friendship, ito na yung ating mga ingredients. Hiniwa ko na siya into maliliit na cubes. Yung ating mansanas, yung ating carrots, yung ating patatas at saka yung ating pineapple chunks. Okay, so what we're going to do next is i-combine lang natin yung lahat ng mga ingredients. So ayan, i-mix na lang natin yung mga ingredients natin. Yung ating pineapple chunks, yung ating mansanas, yung ating patatas, saka yung ating carrots. Okay. So, at this point, maglalagay tayo ng kanyang dressing. Sa isang bowl, ilalagay natin yung ating mayonnaise. Simutin natin, bebe. Maglagay tayo ng konting sugar according to your taste. Ayan. So, titikman natin yan later. And then, lagyan natin ng pepper. Okay na yan. And then, mix lang natin ka-friendship. And then ihalo natin ito sa ating mixture. So ayan. Simutin natin. Dahan-dahan lang ka-friendship ang paghalo para hindi madurog yung ating patatas at saka yung ating carrots. Oops. Chef, ito na po yung ating potato salad with carrots and pineapple chunks and apple. So what we're going to do next is i-chill natin ito sa ref for at least 1 hour to 2 hours. Okay, so balikan natin siya later. Chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating potato salad with carrots, pineapple chunks, and apple. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. I-garnish natin siya ng kaunting shredded lettuce. So ayan. Okay, so ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang potato salad natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Otomira at your service. Always remember that instead of letting your hardships and failures discourage or exhaust you, let them inspire you. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us. Bye-bye.